Stand up.
All right.
Raise for the board.
No. Listen. Everybody's not a team. I know. Oh. I see what happened.
I took him down trying to stop him.
Are you? You all right?
First person 3. Had a board respond to 700 tea time for a black male complaining of injury.
Way more important shit than that.
700 tea time. He's conscious and breathing, black male.
Okay, partner?
F-24.
You got ID on you?
Yeah.
Okay. You good?
Yeah.
Where's You okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you sit up?
Yeah.
Go ahead, sit up for me. What happened with him?
He was just
You lean
resisting
back.
me,
Can you sit up?
trying to put
Sit
handcuffs
up.
on him. I used the take down.
Take down?
Yeah.
Okay, it's fine.
Good.
That's fine.
Sir, are you able to sit up?
Yeah, I can.
Okay. Sit up.
Yeah, help me out.
Sit up.
What's the complaint? What's the injury?
Huh?
What's the injury?
The injury is nothing. My hand hurt a little bit, that's all.
Your
It
head
just
hurts?
give me head out.
Like
but I'm
you're
good.
falling right now. Can you sit up? Thank you.
Okay, there you go.
Just knocked you. My conscious on the ground, man. We just
Come on.
You just knocked him out.
You want to sit up on his ledge or what?
Yeah, okay.
All right.
Okay. I'm good. Give my telephone and my mask.
Yeah, I'll get it for you.